Guys, we're having one last firework. Sorry for the horrible graphics, but yeah. It's gonna be the big silver bomb. Boom! Firework.
I would have.
Sydney is holding that firework.
We have to do it.
No, I know. Sid, wait, hold on.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna get a bit far from this.
Everybody go back. Jeez.
We have to go back. They're gonna have to save me.
Just make sure that's not going to tip over.
How do I?
Mama, please sacrifice. Thank you for sacrificing yourself. Okay, yeah, I have to get a good angle at this. Like you said, Uncle Matt.
There you go.
You might not want to go back home. Run, Mama. Run.
Is somebody videoing this?
Yeah, I'm videoing this. I'm gonna post on YouTube.
Let me get that.
Run for your life as soon as it lights. Oh, more room. Oh, I didn't even go. The heck, light. And the water goes. Oh, it was just like, it just. Water again. Oh my god.
The return policy on a $70 firework.
Here, let me light it. Here, come to the camera.
Absolutely not.
Why
Get
not?
the fuse already go all the way out.
Really close to the bottom.
What? You got scammed.
No, it's probably false. It's probably just weather defect.
Not meant to be. God's saving our lives.
Maybe.
No, let's go to the driveway and do it.
It has nothing to do with that lamp.
Sid, get your face away from that.
Aww.
Go catch the lightning bugs over there.
What? Trampoline.
You're killing it, alright?
Aww.
Sid, go down in the garage and get the white bucket. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Yes, you do.
That's so sad.
I love
Whoa, are you serious? We're gonna light the house. We're gonna be so cool. It's gonna go up in the air and look like something was gonna go on fire.
You should take it back.
Yeah, we should say we got scammed.
I bet they'll give you a refund.
Yeah, well, let's go run back right now and go get a refund.
I don't know why they're not.
For $70
Bro, that dumb firework.
Bro, turn that off.
Aw, okay, bye guys.